everybody and welcome to my channel. I completely forgot to film a intro for this video, but today's video is going to be me creating this beautiful berry eye look using some of the products I received in my Boxycharm and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for October 2019. So if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Okay guys, so we are going to jump right into an eye look with some of these products that we did receive in our October Boxycharm and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I am going to start off with setting my entire eye with my C Color Cosmetics Soft Natural palette. This is the shade I'm going to be setting my entire lid in with. And then I am going to be using the Blushing Berries by Dosa Colors palette. This was in one of the Boxycharms. This retails for $32. So I'm going to be pulling some of those shades. And then we also, in our Ipsy, received the Tart High Performance Naturals Chrome Paint Pod, okay? And I received the shade Fire Dancer. It's so pretty. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I figure I'm going to incorporate this into the look. Very, very pretty. So I'm going to use that somehow. And then I did also in my box for Ipsy get this
Trusted.
I don't know how to say it. Trustique? Trees-teak? I don't know. This little highlighter thing, I think I may be using some of this on the actual eye. It's like a funky highlighter with a really pretty duochrome highlighter. It has like a pink undertone. Wow. I haven't filmed in a few days, guys. I haven't been feeling too great. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys all the way in, and we're gonna go ahead and get this eye look going. Okay, so like I said, starting off with the C Color Cosmetics Soft Natural palette. This is actually a dupe for the Too Faced palette. However, it's a lot less expensive. So we're just gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm going to go ahead and set the entire lid. Okay, so from there we are going to go ahead and jump into this beautiful palette, and I think I'm going to just start off with this shade right here called Berry Chic. So if you receive this palette, you can definitely follow along. And just lightly buffing over. I think I'm going to go in with the shade right next to it, and that is called Roseberry. So I'm going to go in with Roseberry. Really like that. This is so pretty, so fall. Okay, I think what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to jump into the Tarte Fire Dancer. This is what, again, it looks like. Really pretty. And I'm going to just go in with this small Alamar brush, and I'm going to actually focus it from like halfway of the lid outward. Now, I can tell you, with my finger, this was really pigmented. I've not tried it with an Alamar brush yet. So I am going to take it all the way up, like up to the crease area. Alright, so cleaning off my finger, I am going to go into this highlighter. And like I said, it is a duochrome with a pink shift. I don't know if it'll pick up the duochrome, but we're going to attempt this. Just going to rub some on my finger and pat it onto the eye and see how this goes. I mean, it doesn't totally match, but it's okay. Maybe once I have the mascara on, you're not going to notice it. But it really does look pretty on the eyes, I will tell you that. I mean, like I said, I don't feel like that lighter pink really goes, but it's not ugly. I think it's really pretty the way it sits on the eyes. It doesn't accentuate texture. You guys know I'm 41 years old, so I do have mature lids, and I still like to wear shimmer because I do what I want. Makeup, I don't care what people say. People say makeup has rules. I say it doesn't. I say you wear what you feel you're best in, what makes you feel confident, you know? So I decided to go ahead and use some of my black eyeliner. So I did that in the tight line. I did do a little bit of my Benefit Highbrow in the waterline, but I did want to come back and use, I believe, these two colors. I think I'm going to do this color and this color, the last two colors. And I'm gonna stamp that really close to my lash line on top, just using a Sigma, what is this? The Sigma Flat Definer. Just gonna put that right along the lash line, mixing those two. Cleaning it up a bit with a Q-tip, and then I think along the bottom portion of my eye, I am going to go into the center shade right here and put a little bit close to the lash line up through here. And then I am going to take the brush that comes in here and dab the pointy side into the Berry Pop shade and then buff it along. It's fun. I never do looks like this. This is actually pretty. Okay, now I'm actually gonna hop off and then do my mascara, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with mascara. As far as mascara goes, I did use my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Mascara. I did use the Hank & Henry Dual-Ended Mascara, and this is the final look, guys. I absolutely love this. Let me zoom in so you guys can see this. Is this not so pretty? Okay, so here's the deal. I poked myself in the eyeball, so you may see some mascara down through here and God only knows wherever else, but I'm like pretty proud of this look. This is like pretty outside your girl's comfort zone, but I think it turned out really pretty. And if these are shades that typically would not work for you, like you don't know what to do with this highlighter, like here is something that is really, really pretty. Anyways guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did receive this Blushing Berries palette by Dose of Colors, as well as this Tart Chrome Paint and this highlighter in your Ipsy, and maybe this like gave you a little bit of inspiration on changing up the way you use products and not necessarily only using it, you know, what it's intended for. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down it is, whatever it may be. Either way, I am just very, very grateful that you guys are here watching this video. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. Check my description box down below for all kinds of coupon codes and some of my favorite things. And until next time, friends, as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.